Guys, my coil packs and spark plugs finally got here. Yes, I did already kind of open them just because I was a little bit too excited, but let's see what we got. In the box, we have 4 coil packs and also 4 spark plugs. This is UroTuning's brand. They're Velt Sport coil packs. This is the R8 ones, so they have the red tops. And I went with NGK spark plugs. These are the BKR8EIX. They're 1 heat range colder than normal, so I do have to gap them just a little bit. But other than that, these things should probably fix the issue. Let me go ahead and show you what these all look like. So in the box, we have this super nice wrapping, just some bubble wrap. And these are the coil packs. They're actually like really nice material, really good quality, Velt Sport. Oh, I can't wait to put these in. These are gonna look so good and definitely help the car run better. And these are the spark plugs. They just look like normal any other spark plugs, but because they're 1 heat range colder, they should help the car run a lot better and actually should probably, hopefully, fix the problem just because I've never done spark plugs on my car since owning it. I'm gonna go put them on the car. Hopefully that solves the misfiring issue. If you guys want a little update on that, make sure to follow and stay tuned for part 2.